May nagsabi na ba sa'yo na huwag ka nang magkondo kasi after 50 years mawawala din yan. Didemolish din yan ng developer. Oy, kamamaritis mo yan. Feeling mo din ba ma-expire yan after 50 years? Under Philippine Law, RA 4726, nakasaad dyan na once a condominium reaches 50 years, the condominium corporation reviews if it's still safe and livable. If yes, life goes on. If not, owners can vote to sell or redevelop, but only with majority approval. If sold, proceeds are divided based on unit size and ownership shares. So, no, your condo doesn't automatically expire. What really matters is how well the building is managed. A clean, well-maintained condo can last decades behind 50 years with comfort, value, and resale potential intact. So ano pang inaantay mo? Huwag ka nang maniwala sa mga marites. Let's make it. Let's make your reservation. A condominium near in NAIA Terminal with Paseo Verde. So ano pa inaantay mo? Message na or comment below. I will assist you anytime, anywhere. Bye!